Beloved, today I come to you as your guide, your friend, and your savior. My dear child, I know your heart, I see your struggles, and I am aware of every loss you've endured. Life has taken many things from you, and I know some days it feels as if what's lost is too great to recover. But know this truth deep within you: I am here to restore. Every tear you've shed has been counted. Every sigh and silent ache in your heart has been heard. I am the one who holds you in your pain, and I am the one who promises to heal it. Rest assured, my beloved, that nothing in your life is hidden from my sight or out of reach of my love. Imagine the joy of a heart restored, the peace of finding what was lost. Imagine the beauty of a life redeemed from despair. I am here to make that promise to you because I am the God who brings life out of death, hope out of sorrow, and restoration out of ruin. Come to me and rest. Lay down your fears and doubts. The road may have been rough, but now I invite you to walk with me and watch as I make all things new for you. As you listen to these words, feel the warmth of my love surrounding you, for I am here to lift you up. Trust in me, my child, for my promises are unshakable. The time of loss is over, a season of restoration has begun. Do not worry or fear for the days ahead because I have paved the way. All you need to do is rest in me, trust in my love, and witness the beauty that I will bring back into your life. As you listen to my words, let go of the burdens that have weighed upon you. Those worries, fears, and regrets, release them into my hands. I am the one who carries your pain, and I am the one who turns that pain into joy. You may feel broken, but I see you as whole, beautiful, and complete. Rest in my presence and know that you are not alone. In every moment of sorrow, I am there. When you felt abandoned, when it seemed as though no one understood you, I was beside you, comforting you even when you could not feel me. I never left you. I am your constant companion, the one who holds your hand through every storm. Today is the day of your restoration. Believe in this promise with all your heart. What was taken from you will be returned, but not in the way you imagine. I will give you greater joy, deeper peace, and a renewed spirit. What I give will be so much more than what was lost. Let this be the season where your heart opens to trust again. You may have felt disappointed, and maybe you have even questioned me. But I am patient and full of mercy, and I welcome your doubts, for I understand them. Let me show you the depth of my faithfulness, because I am a God who never fails. Imagine yourself in a place of calm and peace, a place where worries melt away and fears are no more. This is the place I am bringing you to. All that I ask is that you believe in my love, trust in my word, and allow me to guide you. I am here, ready to take each step with you. My beloved, know this: every prayer you've prayed, every time you've cried out for help, I have heard you. I know you wonder if your cries reached me. They did. Not one prayer was wasted, and not one tear was shed in vain. I am the God who hears, the God who answers, and the God who restores. Let this truth fill your heart. You are loved, you are seen, you are heard. Every corner of your life is known to me, and I am working in ways you cannot yet see. I am weaving together a story of grace, redemption, and restoration. I am the one who brings beauty from ashes, and I will do so for you. You may feel tired from the journey, but come to me and rest, for my arms are open wide. Release your heartache, let go of the bitterness, and place your trust fully in me. I will not let you down. My love for you is boundless, my promises are true, and my power is infinite. With me, you are safe. Remember, my child, what is lost is not lost forever. I am the God of miracles, the one who brings back what was gone and makes it new. Just as I brought life from death, I will bring renewal to every part of your life. Hold on to this hope, for my love for you will never fail. Look around you, my child, and see the signs of life that I am bringing back to you. Just as the dawn follows the night, so will light fill every dark place in your heart. I am the source of all healing and the author of new beginnings. As you surrender to me, you are making room for miracles, allowing hope to grow again within you. Feel my peace flow over you. Let go of the fear that whispers to you, saying that things will never change. With me, all things are possible. There is no wound too deep, no mistake too great, no loss too heavy that I cannot transform it. I am the God who restores, and I am doing a new thing in your life even now. I know there were moments when you felt as if everything was slipping through your fingers. You held on as best as you could, and I saw your efforts. You may not realize it, but in every struggle you grew stronger, and in every hardship your faith was being refined. Now let me take your pain and turn it into something beautiful. Let me show you the purpose behind every tear. Trust that I am with you, guiding you through every season of your life. What was once broken is being healed, and what was lost will be found. You are not forgotten, nor are you forsaken. I am working in ways that you cannot see, but soon, the evidence of my love will shine in every corner of your life. You may feel unworthy. You may feel that you are too flawed to be loved this way, but know this truth. My love for you has never been based on your perfection, but on my grace. You are precious to me, cherished beyond measure, and nothing will ever change that. Rest in this assurance, for it is unshakable and eternal. Close your eyes and envision a life restored. Imagine joy where there was once sorrow and hope where there was once despair. I am bringing that vision to life. There is nothing I cannot do, no heart I cannot mend, and no dream I cannot fulfill. All you need to do is hold on to me and believe that I am working on your behalf. You may not have all the answers right now, but that's okay. I am here to lead you step by step. All you need to do is walk with me, trust in my love, and know that I am always by your side. When you feel weak, lean on me. When you feel lost, seek me. I am the anchor in every storm, the light in every darkness, and the healer of every hurt. Remember that no prayer is too small, no request too simple. I hear them all. I delight in walking this journey with you, in listening to your heart, and in bringing you closer to the fullness of life that I have prepared. Each day, as you place your trust in me, you are moving closer to the life I have promised you, a life of abundance, peace, and joy. Do not give up hope, my beloved. There is so much ahead for you. The best is yet to come, for I am leading you toward a future that is brighter than anything you can imagine. Every setback is being transformed, every closed door is leading you to a better path, and every trial is strengthening you for the blessings that are to come. Let my words be a balm to your soul, a reminder that you are never alone and that restoration is on the way. Trust in my timing, for it is perfect. Know that I am always working for your good, even when the journey feels long. With each step you take, I am closer than your very breath, guiding you toward a place of complete healing and endless love. In the silence of your heart, feel my presence, for I am with you now, closer than you could ever imagine. I am the voice that whispers peace to your spirit, the hand that reaches out to lift you up. I know the burdens you carry, and I want you to release them into my care. You were never meant to carry this weight alone. Let my love lighten your load and ease your worries. Picture yourself walking beside me, letting go of each burden one by one. For every sorrow I bring comfort, for every fear I bring courage, and for every loss I bring restoration. Let me take you by the hand and guide you through the valleys. You may not see the way forward, but I do. Trust that I am leading you to a place of peace and renewal. Know that I am making all things new. I am the God who breathes life into dry bones, who calls things that are not as though they were. If I can create the stars, the oceans, the mountains, and all that you see, imagine what I can create within you. I am bringing forth beauty from ashes, joy from mourning, and strength from weakness. Hold on, for the dawn is coming. Embrace this truth. You are worthy of my love, not because of anything you have done, but because of who you are, my beloved. I knew you before you were born. I saw every step you would take, and I chose you just as you are. I loved you then, I love you now, and I will love you forever. Nothing can separate you from my love. In every challenge you face, remember that I am with you. When you feel weak, my strength is your support. When you feel lost, I am your guide. When you feel unloved, I am the love that fills every corner of your heart. I will never leave you or forsake you, for you are mine, and I am yours. Thank you for joining us in today's message of hope and faith. As you carry these words with you, may they remind you of the beauty of God's love and power to restore. Please share this video with others who may need encouragement and faith in their journey. And before you go, be sure to check out the video that will appear on your screen. It will guide you even deeper into God's promises for your life. Blessings to you, and see you next time.